very good. I love Philippines.
And always be a good girl as always.
Kain mo muna kayo na. Mark, sila maligo.
The rest of the family, okay?
Hello, Bes! Ito na naman ang pinakamaganda mong best friend, Char! And your sister from another mother. Happy birthday, Bes! May God give you the best of health and more blessings, more birthdays to come, and enjoy your day. Also, love na love ka namin, alam mo yan. So, keep safe and take care always. Happy birthday! I love you!
Happy birthday, Sel! Thank you sa lahat-lahat. Thank you sa lahat ng payo mo at sa pagiging mabuti mong kaibigan. Enjoy your day. God bless. Ingat lagi.
Bye-bye.
Birthday, Tita Sel.
Happy birthday. We wish you more birthdays to come. God bless at ingat kayo dyan palagi.
Happy birthday. I wish you more happiness and success. May God bless you and protect you always. We love you. Happy birthday.
Hi guys! It's me, Fatty from IET Sherry. And since nagmamadali si Pauline para sa video na ito, I don't have much time to prepare, to freshen up, and look at me. Mukhang galing bed and kinda greasy. Anyway, this video is really not about me, but it's for Ate Sel, who is celebrating her birthday today. Happy birthday, Ate! Kung alam mo lang kung gaano kita ka-miss and all our chika, the crying and the chismisan ever. Okay? So, I know you are much in a better place now. Alam mo na yun, and alam natin yun. Happy, contented. So, I just wish you all the best. Continue being a good wife and a mother. And, you know, may God bless you. Okay? I hope to see you soon. Okay? Let's see. Okay? I love you.
Happy birthday pa, Mami Sel. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi dyan ni Papa at good health po at more birthdays to come. Yun lang po. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mami. Thank you for everything, sa mga sakripisyo at saka sa mga pangunawa mo. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday, more birthday to come. Utang muna, walang di makaalis si Daddy, pulls work, okay? Ingat ka, take care of yourself. I love you, Mami. I love you.
So, happy birthday, Maricel. I wish you good health. Ingat kayo dyan. How young are you na? Hi! Hello, Maricel. Pangalawang bati ko na sa iyo to. Si Tita Loy mo natutulog pa. Mamaya sigigising yun kasi morning na nung matulog.
Hello, my name is Pauline Jade, and I am 12 years old. I am the youngest child of my mom.
First question, what is the funniest thing that you did together with your mom?
That time when we did something together. Me and my sister were putting drawings on her face just to have fun. Until she woke up, she realized what she looked like and got a bit mad. I think that's what I remember.
What is your favorite thing about Mommy?
My favorite thing about Mommy is that she always takes care one of us, and also she cooks very good. And I love it when she's being sweet to others like that.
What is your favorite memory of Mommy?
My one-time favorite memory that we used to spend time together a lot when she doesn't have work, and probably when we were swimming or something in the beach for sure.
What are you proud of about Mommy?
I'm proud about Mommy that I'm proud about that Mommy that she was working hard for us to pay everything, and then also always helping people that needed help.
Since today is her birthday, what are your birthday greetings for Mommy?
Happy birthday, Mommy. I wish you a happy birthday. I hope you stay healthy. Like that. And I love you, Mommy. Hello, my name is Princess Jana Benitez. I am 16 years old and I am the middle child of Mama or Maricel Benitez.
First question. What is your mother's favorite food?
Favorite food ni Mama, something very matamis. Example na lang siguro yung mocha cake, donut, ice cream, or anything na matamis talaga, as in, like, yung magkaka-sugar rush siya tuwing gabi, tapos 5 minutes, sleep na siya. Next question.
Next question. What is one thing Mommy always had that you look up to?
Siyempre, as a very nice and loving mom, she is a very strong mother. Yung kahit sabihin man natin na katulad siya ng ibang nanay na malakas, masipag, kayang gawin ng lahat para sa anak niya. Syempre, there's something about her that I really like and I really idolized and want to be like in the future. Syempre, yung pagiging hardworking niyang tao. Tsaka yung very mapagmahal siya towards kay Papa and to us and to other people. She's also very funny and also very nice.
Next question. What is your favorite memory of Mom?
Siyempre, siguro kahit lahat naman ng memory nakasama namin siya. It's very nice and it's a very core memory to our brains. Pero siguro pinaka-memorable sa akin is yung the moment na umuwi sila. Siyempre, yun ata yung pinakaunang memory or pinakaunang personal moment na nakasama ko siya or nakaakap ko siya. So, it's very personal and very heartwarming for me.
Next question. What are you proud about your mom?
Proud? Siyempre, I'm very proud of her for still holding on and keeping it until now. Siyempre, I know that life is hard, just like any other people is going through right now, pero she's doing her best and doing her ultimate best for us and for herself. That's it. Sige. Well, since today is her birthday, we just want to say a happy birthday to you, Mama. I wish you all the best and syempre, good health, more happiness, more great things in life. Love you, Ma.
And action.
Hi, my name is Philip Jetro de Benitez, 20 years old, panganay ni Maricel.
First question. Who is someone that makes her happy?
Siyempre, kami. Kaming mga anak niya, si Papa, family, and syempre, napaka-close ni Mami sa mga friends niya. Like, especially yung mga best friends niya, like sina Tita Kate, ayun, then yung mga ibang di ko na-mention. So, ayun.
What kind of a mother is she to you?
Anong klaseng nanay si Mama? Si Mama kasi caring. Like, sabihin natin parang bigla-bigla makakatulog na lang si Mama. Pero I mean, may pakialam si Mama parati sa amin, tinatanong kung ano gusto namin. As in, sinuspoil niya kami sa mga bagay na gusto namin pag meron siya at ano yung kaya niya. And number one, gusto niya talaga yung best para sa amin. Kaya nga, mothers knows best. And napaka practical ni Mama talaga sa lahat. Gusto niya yung kung ano yung para sa ikabubuti namin, kung okay ba to, okay ba yan. And ayun, basta maraming magagandang traits si Mama. Siguro yung mga nabanggit ko, yun talaga, napaka-loving and caring ni Mama.
What is your favorite memory of Mama?
Favorite memory ko kay Mama? Siguro yung pag every time na like pagka di ba natutulog nung umuwi dito si Mama, pag natutulog siya, aakit ako, "Ma, miss ko na kayo, gano'n, blah blah blah." Kaya niya, gano'n lang yan. Tapos kung ano yung mga sasabihin niya ng mga bakit niya to ginagawa, tapos hug niya ako. And memory, everything yan. Pagka mga tawa na napaka talkative ni Mama, and lagi nagjo-joke, ganun. And ayun.
What are you proud of about Mami?
Proud ako kasi isa siyang matapang na ina, matyaga, and napaka-understanding niya. And napaka matulungin. Madami siyang tinutulungan tao. Minsan nakakalimutan niya na sarili niya, pero para mabigay niya yung best, kung ano yung worth it ba sa tao na yon. Basta maraming natulungan si Mama. Proud ako kay Mama na pagiging OFW hindi na rin madali kasi parang bayani na sila eh. And mahirap bilang ina na mawalay sa kanyang anak. And tinitesta ni Mama, pero gusto niya ng magandang kinabukasan sa amin and sa pamilya namin.
Since today is her birthday, what are your birthday greetings for her?
Birthday greetings ko kay Mama. Ma, happy birthday. Mahal na mahal ka naming tatlo. And ni Daddy. Huwag kang iyak. Wish you all the best, Ma. Take care of your health always, kahit matigas ulo mo sa sweets. Kasi napaka-sweet mo. Corny. Then, pray lang parate, Ma. Kasi alam ni Lord na lahat ng mga prayers mo para sa amin and sa inyo dyan is matutugunan niya yun. And hindi niya tayo papabayaan. Kasi alam ko, Ma, laging mo iniisip na ginagawa mo yung best mo para maging happy family kami. Yun lang. Love you, Ma. Miss you.